In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable hedge mode on Binance futures using the mobile app. Whether you're trading as a hobby or professionally, understanding how to manage risk is crucial. Hedge mode allows you to open positions on both sides of a futures contract. This can be incredibly advantageous for managing losses and maintaining balanced portfolios. So, how do you set this up? Let's dive into the step-by-step process. To start, unlock your phone, open the Binance app, and go ahead and log into your account if you haven't already. Having access to your account is obviously essential because we're going to be making changes that affect how you trade on futures. Now, if you haven't used this feature or explored futures trading yet, even if you're a beginner, this is a good opportunity to familiarize yourself with this part of the app. Once you're logged in, you're going to need to navigate to the Futures tab. This tab is typically located in the bottom navigation bar of the app, clearly labeled as Futures. It's where all your futures trading activities will take place, so make sure you're comfortable finding and using this section of the app. After you've opened up the Futures Market section, you'll notice three little dots, often referred to as the ellipsis, located at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on these three dots. Clicking this will bring up a menu of options that you can adjust to personalize your trading settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Preferences. Within Preferences, look for an option labeled Position Settings. This is an important menu because it's where you adjust critical features of your trading strategy. Next up, you'll need to find and select Hedge Mode. Hedge Mode is what will allow you to hold both long and short positions at the same time. There should be a clear toggle button or an option to switch on Hedge Mode within the Position Settings menu. Once you've done this, a confirmation prompt is likely to appear asking for your final confirmation to enable it. And that's it, you've successfully enabled Hedge Mode on your Binance Futures account via the mobile app. Remember, enabling Hedge Mode is just one part of successfully managing your portfolio. Understanding when and how to use it effectively will come with practice and continuous learning. Hopefully you found this guide straightforward and informative. Using Hedge Mode wisely can be a powerful addition to your trading toolbox, helping to reduce risk and improve the stability of your investment outcomes. Thanks for watching, keep trading smart, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more tips and guides on cryptocurrency trading.